If you are looking for how to whiten teeth at home, then here are top 5 best at home teeth whitening products you must try. AuraGlow Deluxe Home Teeth Whitening System. Light-activated whitening technology accelerates results. Remove stains on the surface of your teeth from coffee, wine, soda, tea, smoking and more in 30 minutes per day. This system includes dental-grade teeth whitening gel and powerful LED light that speeds up the whitening results. Best of all, this system is safe for enamel and produces virtually no sensitivity. We teamed up with Mother Nature to deliver a toothpaste with the most effective whitening and detoxifying ingredients on Earth. Food-grade activated charcoal, active carbon, certified organic coconut oil, and baking soda create a powerful teeth whitening effect with zero tooth sensitivity. Use Crest Vivid Whitestrips for visibly whiter teeth with full results in 10 days. Use Crest Vivid Whitestrips once a day for 30 minutes. Removes 5 years of tough coffee, wine, and smoking-related teeth stains for a whiter smile. A comfortable at-home teeth whitening experience. Usage: apply once a day for 1 hour. Full results in 7 days.
This is the Cali White Teeth Whitening System. When you open up your kit, you'll see an instruction pamphlet. I'm going to take you through that. When you open up your kit, you'll see you have the option of 2 mouth trays. You have the thermoform trays, which you boil in water and you form to your bite. Or you have the Universal Comfort Fit, which is patented exclusively for Cali White, fits comfortably to your bite, and features 4 breathing vents so you can breathe while you whiten. In order for your whitening light to work, you need to open the back of the light and remove the plastic tab that you'll find between the batteries and the device. If you went with the Universal Comfort Fit tray, it fits directly onto your light. If you chose the thermoform trays, you place the trays in your mouth and then you rest the light directly on the trays. There's 5 treatments in each whitening applicator. Each treatment is 1 milliliter. You use half a milliliter on the top of your tray and half a milliliter on the bottom. Insert the tray into your mouth and firmly press the button to activate the light. The light will automatically turn off at the end of your 10-minute treatment. After whitening, brush and floss your teeth, then clean and rinse your tray and store in your Cali White case.
Okay guys, so before we begin, I want to show you something that will make your teeth bright, very bright and white. This is MySmile Teeth Whitening Kit. And I'm gonna open it with you guys and show you how this works wonders. It opens like this. Comes with a bunch of things that you can use. The instructions are attached. Pretty simple. I've never done this before, so let's go through this together. It's gonna be exciting. This is the LED light. Right then, so here's a little mouth tray for me to attach to the LED light. This is like a makeup tutorial video, but with teeth whitening. So with the mouth tray attached, it looks like this. And we have these syringes to apply inside the lining of these. How much did I put in? Oh, a little more.